What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be seeing if the Jeep will start. I got a Walmart battery for it, and today it was pretty or this morning it was pretty frosty, and I just wanted to see how well it does, because usually if a battery isn't any good and you let it set in the cold and you go out here and crank it and it's not going to start and it's junk and all this stuff. But I've had some good feedback on the video that I made. I guess everybody runs Walmart batteries. They're comparable to advanced auto batteries that last three to 4 years. Advanced auto batteries usually last for. So let's go ahead and start the Jeep and see how it does, see how it cranks up. So it seemed to crank up pretty good. No problems whatsoever. That battery seems to have some cranking power. I guess we'll just let it run for a couple minutes, see how it is. All right, as you guys can see, these headlights are like glazed over, and this one has condensation inside and it's glazed over. So I need to take them out, dry them out, clean them up. That bolt doesn't look very promising, and neither does that one. Might not be able to get those out. Slowly working it out with these pair of pliers. Thank God they're not stuck. Alright, after you get so loose, you'll be able to take it out with your fingers. And it just pulls up out of there. I'm going to put a little bit of anti-seize on there. It's only threaded right here. So I'm going to put this somewhere where I can, lose it. And you just grab this firmly and it pops out. You have all your wires. And you have a bulb that's not even seated. That's why they are got moisture inside. You just do the same exact thing on the other side. And I'm not going to film it because it's the exact same thing. So, this is the headlight, the regular headlight. It's all dull. As you can see, that one is nice and clear now, because I did a little trick. That's just this guy bouncing off of it. But what I did was, I really didn't focus in this area too much. I just focused here because the inspection stations don't like foggy headlights. So what I done was, I tried the toothpaste trick and it did clear it up a good bit. But my cousin told me about kind of sanding it back and then clear coating it with paint. Now it's not a permanent fix because after a while the clear coat will probably flake off, but this is just good enough until I get my new headlights. I think it worked out really nice. I can get this sky to quit glaring in it. It's so shiny now. So I got on rockauto.com and got some shocks for 40 bucks. Packaged really well. Crack it open, see what's inside. Go ahead and unwrap it here. It actually looks pretty decent. Can't beat it. So let's go ahead and put them on. It took me an hour to get this shock off. This needs anti-seize on. I don't know why people don't put anti-seize on these. Man, had to use that big pipe. It's like 8 pounds. Those was in there pretty good. I don't want to do the other side at all. Man. Do not be shy with this anti-seize. Even put some down in that little hole. You're never gonna have too much. When you go to torque these down, don't torque them down like a head bolt. You just need them snug. It's just holding the shock in. Just want it just snug right there. That's all you need. You want to put your bottom in, which is self-explanatory. Just pop this off. Should be good to go. Don't forget to put your anti-seize on here and plaster it on this bolt. Oh, here it is. It's on there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. I'm Cherokee Ronnie. Stay dirty, my friends.